Okay, to solve an equation means to find the values that'll make it true, right? So in this one here, we have y equals 3x plus 2. So solution would be to find an x and a y that makes this equation true. And we'll get into graphing in a second, but I'll give you an example. What if I told you that I was going to pick x equaling 4? What could we figure out y would be? Well, if x was equaling 4, and I substituted 4 for x, I would find out that 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2 is 14, that y would equal 14. So if x were to equal 4, then y would have to equal 14 to make this true. Okay? How do we know it's true? Well, I could go over here and I could say the left side and the right side, remember they need to equal each other. The whole idea of an equal sign is they're the same. Well, if y is 14, then that left side, y is 14, right? And the right side, well, if x was 4, that'd be 12 plus 2, the right side would be 14. So in this case, both sides would be the same number, and if both sides were the same number, that means it's true that when x is 4, y is 14. Right? What we can do, and you'll see coming up soon, is we can say the ordered pair 4 and 14, that's an ordered pair that is true for this equation. Now, are other solutions true? Of course. I could say x was 0. If x is 0, then y would have to be 2. That would also be true. I could pick a y and figure out what the x is, right? Because it would have to be true when both sides are the same. Now, the ones you see on the screen are a little different, but what it's doing is it's substituting in to both sides, right? Your left side and your right side, and showing that both sides are the same number. And more of this will come up a little later. This is just an introduction at this point.